how to fix ad blockers violate YouTube terms of service. Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Mastery, your go-to spot for solving everyday tech issues in simple steps. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ad blockers violate YouTube's terms of service message that's been popping up for many users. If this has been stopping you from watching your favorite videos, don't worry, there's a proper and safe way to fix it. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the message. First things first, why are you seeing this message? YouTube runs on ads to support creators and offer free content to billions of users. Using ad blockers goes against YouTube's terms of service, and that's why you may see a warning or even limited access if an ad blocker is detected. Step 2. Consider YouTube Premium, the official ad-free option, instead of using third-party extensions or ad blockers, which YouTube clearly does not support. The best and safest way to enjoy an ad-free experience is through YouTube Premium. With YouTube Premium, you can watch videos without ads, download videos for offline viewing, get background play, and access to YouTube Music. It's a clean, reliable, and terms-friendly solution that supports creators and keeps your experience smooth. Step 3. Use YouTube in a supported environment. Make sure you're watching YouTube on the official YouTube app or a trusted browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge without any ad-blocking plugins or tools. Avoid using third-party browsers or modified apps that might block ads in the background. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. Optional, but helpful. If you previously used an ad blocker or encountered this message, clearing your browser data can help. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy and Security, tap Clear Browsing Data. Check cookies and cached files, then clear them. This ensures a fresh start with updated settings. Step 5. Restart and test. Now close and reopen YouTube. The warning should be gone and you'll be back to watching videos smoothly and within YouTube's guidelines. And that's it. A simple, safe, and effective way to fix the ad blockers violate YouTube terms of service issue. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to How to Mastery, and comment below if there's anything else you'd like help with. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.